Hi everyone, John Cleese with Lake Effect Garden Design, with a plant, a flower that you see all the time. It's fantastic for the fall, and this is rudbeckia. This is the native rudbeckia. Lots of you will do rudbeckia goldstrom and other ones, but if you'll notice, the natives are a lot more lacy. I don't have a lot of others planted in here. I really kind of tried to hide these. My mother didn't like the space underneath her house, so I put these here in a line, but they do a great job intermingling with other plants. What I find with some of the hybrid, what am I talking about? Black-eyed Susans with the rudbeckia, is they kind of take that mum look. They're very solid. I don't really like that. This isn't Disneyland. So I prefer the natives. I like the lacier bit. I like the way we work with other plants. So don't forget to plant the native Black-eyed Susan in your gardens. It's great fall. You can see here it's mixing with the asters. I got some Joe Pye weed. Anyway, it's a fabulous plant. So if you like these videos, please hit the like. Please subscribe to the channel. And again, trying to make native plants accessible for everyone.